It's finally here. Let's go. Thanks for purchasing, Jason. Let's go. It's finally here. Ledge Pros. Crest Pros. Ooh. Can't wait to try them on. Black Friday deals are really nice. I saved $150. Instructions to install hardware. This is what it looks like. I actually don't know which one's the front, which one's back. This one is the back. There's the front. I bring it back. Not coming out, guys. Bring this one. Slides out. No, I don't know if the screw that is quite literally embedded into the bumper. I can't get it out because it's kind of stuck. I don't know if it's catching on something. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna work on the back one. Those are not coming out. There's that hole. That's the one screw. That is the other screw. On this side, this screw. And I don't know. It's actually working. We might be able to get the screw out. Oh, it's spinning. Let's go. You know what? I'm going back to the front. On this last screw.
How's it going?
Okay. Got some screws that are not, but most likely will not come out.
Dad would say to use a Dremel tool to drill them out.
Well, we've done it. Now we're working on foot pads. So you do have to screw them out from underneath. I hate this part. A dent in it. I'm gonna finish this tomorrow because my day has run out of time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Pretty cringe. It's like the only word I can think of to describe my videos. I'm new to this whole YouTube thing. My brain only works to a certain capacity, and I am pretty sure I have reached that limit. Talk about cringe. Yesterday it took way too long to put. Back foot pad. This is the front foot pad. I'm gonna put the foot pads on. got some new bumpers. This one got new. So, hold on.
Reasons that you gotta